Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make 2 easy DIY home decor ideas. So let's get started. For first DIY video, I am using embroidery hoop, fabrics, purbeads, thread, needle, pom-pom lace and wool. At earlier, I made template for flower using chart paper. I am making a flower from fabrics. Because Valentine Day is here, I use red and white color fabric. You can use your choice of color. I am making 2 DIY videos for using this embroidery hook. Here I am using artificial leaves. Now the final look. For second DIY, I am using cardboard, acrylic paint and embroidery hoop. At first, I am drawing a heart shape for using this template. Now I am drawing a couple images. You can search this type of image from Google. Cut off the template using craft knife. I have applied 3 coatings of color. I have attached all things using glue gun. One important thing to tell you guys, when I am hanging this hook in the wall, I have noticed this template flip over other side. That's why I have attached this yarn with heart. Now the final look. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. You will get notified of all my future videos. Thank you for watching this video. Next DIY video is I am gonna share with you study table organizer. Thank you all for today's video. Okay, bye. Take care.